If you have a Dell Alienware 17R5 and you're getting all these yellow triangles and unknown devices in the device manager, you'll want to go to Dell's website, dell.com, go to support, support home, scroll to the bottom, put in your service tag number, and you'll get to this page. Go to drivers and downloads here. It doesn't support Windows 11, but you could probably get it on there. Anyways, in the drivers and downloads, you'll want to expand all to see all the drivers. And you'll basically want to download each one and install them. Here you can see all the drivers. One of the drivers for some reason weren't available from Dell, so I had to go to this sketchy looking website, download the zip, and then install that. And that's pretty much it. Hope it helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.